There's a rose on the side of the road all alone, and its thorns they are tattered and worn. It's a rose that wishes it was corn. By the road there is corn and rows upon rows, and it never decides where it grows, and it longs for the life of the rose. There's a wall on the side of the park, strong and tall, and it blocks out the view from the mall. No one ever complains about the falls. There are falls with one moment of glory then gone, never knowing what's further along, and they long for strength like a wall. There's a bridge, and it longs like the river to flow, always watching while everyone goes, and is thinking that life is too slow. There's a road on the side of the road all alone, and its storms they are tattered and torn. It's a road that wishes it was gone.
She always sparkled where you shouldn't have flamed. She was colorful like a carnival. She could rob a bank and have me thinking I was to blame. She was colorful like a carnival. I was her falling rain, kept her growing, but she'd rather have a sunny day. If she was fond of hurting me, I really paid the cost of loving her that way. She'd wake up mad at me for something she dreamed. She was colorful like a carnival, and I put up with it like I had no shine. She was colorful like a carnival, and I was her falling rain, kept her going, though she'd rather have a sunny day. And she was fond of hurting me, I really paid the cost for loving her that way. It'd be freezing cold and she'd swear it was spring. She was colorful like a carnival, and when it comes to hurting, man, she could make it rain. She was colorful like a carnival. I I was her falling rain. Kept her going, though she'd rather have a sunny day. And she was fond of hurting me. I really paid the cost of loving her that way. She don't really love me, she's crazy, I think. She was colorful, like a pond. She look at you crazy when you're finally on the branch. She's colorful, like a pond. She was colorful, like a carnival. She was colorful.
I met Jesus on a crashing plane. When it landed, I didn't talk to him again. I was bold and young, I just called it love, and life goes on. Now I'm stuck here in a world of pain. When I need him more, Jesus missed the plane. Now I'm old and drunk, I don't care about much, life goes on. I am grateful that he saved my soul. When I fell again, why'd he let me go? He didn't leave my soul. Guess there's plenty more. Life goes on. Now these days I worship honey fruit, and I stay sober till they turn me loose. And I'm tired and broke, and I'm out of hope. Life goes on. Jesus saved me from that crashing plane. Now the days are rough, Jesus gets the blame. And he told me once, I won't die not once. Life goes on. I only had to speak his holy name, and after that he said, life will be the same. I won't have to drink, I won't cry when I think. Life goes on.
Holy cow.
Why didn't he tell me that before? Maybe I just need to listen a little more, 'cause there's still time for my life to shine. Life goes on. I guess there's still time for my life to shine. Life is on.